I'm going to show you how you can install custom fonts in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you've done this process, you'll be able to use these fonts on any application that is installed in your PC or laptop. So the first thing we're going to do is open up your preferred web browser and simply type in Dafont and then head on over to dafont.com. This is one of the most popular websites on the internet to grab free fonts. At the top, you have lots of different categories to choose from. So if you know the type of font that you're looking for, you can browse through here. But for this, I'm just going to pick one from the homepage. So let's say that we want Peach Club Script. All we need to do is press this download button on the far right. Alternatively, you can click on the specific font just to view the individual letters in more detail, just to see if it matches what you're looking for. And then in the top right, click download. This will be sent to your downloads folder in the top right, or alternatively, finding your downloads folder within Windows. It will be a compressed zip file, so all we need to do is right-click on this file and then select Extract All. Once it's extracted, sometimes you might see several files within the extracted folder. But for this one, it only has one file, but basically you're looking for the TTF script file, and all we want to do is double-click it. It will bring up this window showing you a preview of the font, and then all we need to do is in the top left, press the install button, wait for that to install, and then it will gray out. Now you're able to use this font in any Windows application whatsoever. However, if the font is not showing, make sure that you have restarted the application. So for instance, if you already had Photoshop open when you installed this font, just restart Photoshop and then it should appear. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.